Right, viewers, let's start with a big story coming in. Supreme Court has refused an oral plea for an urgent hearing into a petition seeking directions to Delhi police to file a complaint and investigate the bird bundles of cash found earlier this month at the home of Delhi High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Verma. Heads of bar councils, including Allahabad and Karnataka and Delhi, to meet the Chief Justice of India. One of the big updates coming in right now in the cash burn story. Remember that this has also raised a lot of concerns about transparency and integrity in the judiciary. Supreme Court has also refused an urgent FIR hearing in Delhi High Court Judge Cash Hall case, and it has been listed for a later date. Back-to-back updates coming in right now on Republic TV, and we'll try to also go across to my colleague in a short while from now. Back-to-back updates are coming in, and I just want to go straight across to my colleague joining us right on the story. Bar Council chiefs to meet CGI, and I also want to know what is happening outside Justice Verma's residence where Riyanka is right now. Riyanka, what is happening? Especially, speaking about the kind of backlash that this development has got. So we have seen bar associations. We see the bar council members to meet the Chief Justice. Take our viewers through what we can expect as the day progresses.
Well, as you know that this case is gaining momentum with each passing day, and as you can understand, I'm standing right outside Justice Yashwant Verma's residence, where in fact even yesterday we had seen multiple movements taking place, starting from the team of the Delhi police who came here and they sealed that particular room where the fire occurred, and also we also know that how there was the Allahabad Bar Association members who had come in here in the national capital to hold a meeting with the Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, and they had put forward their demands. Now today what we are going to be tracking is the fact that there are several bar councils across India and their representatives, the leaders, the presidents of those particular bar councils who will be coming in the national capital today, and they will be seeking a meeting with the Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, so that they can put forward their demands. They have several demands. The one majorly is that impeachment of Justice Yashwant Verma. They also at this point in time want that this particular case be handled by the Delhi police in terms of a criminal investigation, because a huge amount of cash was in fact discovered. And on the other hand, they also want that this particular case can also be proved by the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate. On the other hand, the scrutiny of Justice Verma's verdicts and the cases that he had taken up in the past, that is also being one of the demands. And also NJAC is one of the prime focus and the demands of all the High Court Bar Associations and their heads who will be coming in and meeting with the Chief Justice of India. So we will be, of course, looking in several angles that will be taking place. In fact, later in the evening yesterday, there were several lawyers who had also come in at Justice Yashwant Verma's residence. As per sources, we understood that Justice Yashwant Verma is taking some sort of a legal advice at this point in time, as before he presents himself in front of the internal committee that has been formed by the CGI to give in his statements. In fact, several statements of the first responders have also been taken by the internal committee. So several developments are going to be lined up today. We will be seeing what happens next in this case.
All right. Thank you for getting those details, Riyanka. I'll be coming back to you as we get more on the story.